Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So firstly, you just have to take your phone. You will have to remove back cover from it. You can find the hatch here. Then, just like this, you can remove the back cover from your device. And here you can see the battery. Take it here, and that's how you can remove it. And as you can see, that's how we can remove battery. So let's put it back in the same way we put it out, then turn back on our device. But we actually can't do it without the back cover. And just hold down power key. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.